Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Paramount Plus error code 3205. So first of all, if you're using an Android device, you need to navigate to your device settings and open Application Manager, and then tap on the Paramount Plus app. From here, look for the Force Stop button and then confirm to completely shut the app. Now relaunch the Paramount app as you would normally do and check if this fixes the issue. If the error still persists, you need to head back to this Force Stop page again and tap on this storage option. From here, tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data option, and then head back to the Paramount Plus app and check if the error still persists. If it does, then you need to uninstall and then reinstall the app. Next, if you're using a Samsung TV where the Paramount Plus app is a system app that cannot be uninstalled, then you need to launch the Samsung TV settings and navigate to Support. From there, select Self-Diagnosis and click on Reset Smart Hub. Then confirm to reset the TV Smart Hub and wait until the process completes. After that, launch Paramount Plus to check if the error still persists. If nothing works, your only resort is to reset the TV to its defaults. To complete this process, you need to head back to this self-diagnosis screen and tap Reset. Then confirm to reset the Samsung TV, and hopefully this will fix the issue. Well, that's all for this video. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.